Hey, what's going on, sweetie?
Why can't I get it right? Why can't I get it?
Trying to make her bed. Phoebe! Phoebe, you're so cute.
Really?
Good girl. You made your bed. It only took you 3 minutes. Uh-oh. It's not right. It's not right. Oh, there we go. Just gotta fix it. There we go. Is that better? Is that good now?